In OmniLife, you can do research comparing older policies to current policies by clicking on the Research tab in the top menu. This opens our Legacy Research portal, where you can choose a policy dating back to 2003. So let's select a policy, and then you can filter by insurer name, or you can search in the list here. I like the filter. And then we can choose the PDS date range that the policy was taken out in for the cover insurer that we're looking for. Then we can choose from their product list the different products that we want to compare. Then click Add. Now that policy is in a list for us so that we can go back and select a current policy. Again, we can filter by insurer name, and then we can select the current PDS date range. Select the cover to compare. The blue is highlighting what has been selected in the other policy. And click Add. We can add more policies to this list, and when we're finished, click Research. Now we can see both of those policies side by side. We have our current policy that we're looking at and the older policy. All of the features and benefits, text from the PDSs, product scores, as well as access to many different reports under the drop-down. And that's how we can look at legacy products compared to current policies.